Shandong China Coal Industry and Mining Group, founded in 1990s, with registered capital of 138 million RMB, is one of the top 10 manufacturers of operating equipment of China, an excellent enterprise in the machinery industry of China, a recognized e-commerce enterprise of Shandong Province, a member of the Industrial Alliance of Three Networks Integration of the Economic and Information Commission of Shandong Province, a model of informatization enterprise of Shandong Province, the president of the Electronic Commerce Association of Jingning City, one of the first small giant science and technology enterprises of Jingning City, and a large-scale diversified industrial group enjoying key support from China State, Shandong Provincial and Jingning governments, and integrating functions of e-commerce, modern logistics, and manufacturing and software development. China Coal Group owns the parent company Shandong China Coal Industrial and Mining Materials Cooperation Limited and 19 subsidiaries, including Shandong Zhongyun Logistics Cooperation Limited, Beijing Yike Chuangshan Network Technology Cooperation Limited, Shandong Yimei Machinery Equipment Manufacturing Cooperation Limited, and the Mechanical Electrical Manufacturing Branch, Logistic Equipments Branch, International Trade Branch, and other professional branches registered by the parent company. Holding the development idea that human resources help develop the enterprise, China Coal Group now has 10 specialty invited overseas networking experts, 5 experts from China Plant Engineering Expert Groups, 26 senior software engineers, 93 networking engineers, 235 e-commerce engineers, 78 specialists for international trade, 42 logistic engineers, and 15 customer declarers. They jointly constitute the powerful guarantee to the development of the group, insisting on a principle to be responsible for our nation, for the society, for our customers, and staffs. The group has accumulated basis in a down-to-earth manner, sought for development with undivided attention, and thus obtained big harvests in both economic and social benefits. China Coal Group was formerly a traditional enterprise focusing on the manufacturing and marketing of industrial and mining equipments. Although the mining and construction equipments, including the mine cars, turnouts, concrete machines, explosion-proof mining doors, car arresters, and mine supports, produced by the group, by adhering to the management idea of reputation first and quality foremost, and using the gold-blessed resource superiorities and regional advantages, were greatly praised by users during the service in the construction of more than 50 coal mines belonging to 16 mining bureaus of China Coal Energy Group, Zibo City, and Fencheng City, and long-term cooperation agreements had been signed. Problems such as slow return of capital and single marketing channels existing in the traditional marketing modes had severely restricted the development of the group. In 2005, supported by the national policy that e-commerce was to be supported extensively, China Coal Group made the firm and critical decision to change the traditional marketing mode to the e-commerce marketing mode. It was from then on that China Coal Group got the spring for the development of e-commerce. China Coal Group occupied China's domestic market of industry and mining machinery rapidly, growing into a benchmarking enterprise of e-commerce. Closely focusing on our development strategies of the enterprise and the demands our main business, China Coal Group has constantly strengthened the information construction, pushed forward the development of e-business, and reinforced innovation to the integration of both informatization and industrialization, and finally founded a new type of industry informatization way, by which the comprehensive strengths of the group got enhanced greatly. Up to now, an e-commerce team made of nearly 500 people from 18 subsidiaries had been set up, creating sales volume breaking nearly 1 billion RMB. Over 10,000 varieties of products produced by the group have reached 35 provinces, cities, and autonomous regions of China, taking up 64% of the market and providing services to as many as 40,000 customers throughout China in fields of large-scale coal mines, high-speed railway, and tunnel. In recent years, standing firmly on a construction of an information platform, China Coal Group has constantly increased investment and construction strengths to e-commerce. The group now owns nearly 800 computers, 10 enterprise servers, 8 firewalls, 2 firewalls for America, Britain, Hong Kong, and Taiwan respectively, and 100 trillion special optical fiber cables of Unicom and Telecom respectively have been paved. China Co Group has tried each effort to expand the R&D channel to seek for benefits and achievements from both technology and information. By now, the group has developed over 10 scientific payoffs such as the custom CRM system, 15 utility model patents, and 16 software copyrights, realizing the industrialization of technology, with values created to our society and new vigor brought to the enterprise. China Co Group has been widely praised by China domestic leaders at all levels, authoritative experts and customers at home and abroad. Since 2011, following the national policy of earning foreign exchanges through exports, and in order to facilitate the development of international trade and expand overseas market, China Co Group founded the new energy import and export branch, the international trade branch, and the import and export branch in succession. Furthermore, by fully making use of the brain strengths of China Co Group, the modern information platform and fund guarantee, the group has set up a trade system focusing on industry and mining equipments, and relying on resources and markets. Built an overseas marketing team made of English, French, German, Portugal, Russian, and Arabic talents, which has expanded more broad international market online for the group. In addition, China Co trademark has been registered in EU, America, Russia, Britain, Taiwan, Indonesia, Israel, and other countries and regions. And China Co Group has obtained the use right of China Co trademark in the 28 members of EU, Britain, and Taiwan. China Co Group has also obtained a Certificate of Independent Declarer for Foreign Trade and the Certificate of Import and Export Declarer of the People's Republic of China. China Co Group has set up the Custom Clearance and Inspection Team and has provided custom clearance and inspection service to a lot of enterprises. At present, large operating equipment, lifting equipment, and other more than 100 varieties produced by China Co Group, as well as the heading machines and coal cutters produced by China Co Group for many China state-owned enterprises, have been exported to more than 60 countries and regions, including America, Australia, Russia, Georgia, and Austria, contributing to foreign exchange of $40 million. Furthermore, China Co Group has imported advanced large equipment from more than 30 countries around the world and has established long-term extensive strategic partnership with customers in many China state-owned big enterprises. As a leading enterprise of e-commerce in order to expand the development of logistics and Internet of Things, China Co Group founded Shandong Zhongyun Logistic Cooperation Limited, in which the logistic mechanical equipment manufacturing and marketing branches were set up. With the support of modern information technology and network management system, China Co Group ascended to the leading position of China domestic logistic industry and set up the first e-commerce logistic platform of China, China Logistics and Things Networking, which is mainly to provide smart transportation, smart living, smart power grid, smart power, and overall vehicle monitoring, containers integrating resources, logistic transportation, international and national byway purchasing, vehicle warehouse cargo but joint service, and other comprehensive service to enterprises and customers at home and abroad. China Co Group has kept nice long-term strategic partnership with big airlines, and thus, with the support of air routes reaching each corner of the world, direct booking service can be guaranteed. By using the international and domestic air freight network and focusing on different demands of customers, China Co Group launched the Air Express service in 24th delivery to provide excellent and all-round air freight service to customers. Depending on big airlines throughout the world, China Co Group provides customers with by-sea import and export cargo transportation service around the world, as well as rapid and efficient port ground service, including cargo pickup, clearance, hosting, and landing service. Many transport trucks and container vehicles of China Co Group are equipped with GPS system for 24 hours full journey tracking needs, and thus the safety and time efficiency of cargoes can be guaranteed. Up to now, 38 service outlets in 18 provincial areas in Northeast and North China area have been set up. rely on which the transportation service reaches all corners throughout China, really realizing the unimpeded circulation of cargoes in China and in the world. The expansion and growth of the logistics system provides solid guarantee to the development of e-commerce transactions in aspect of logistics. In 2012, China Crow Group founded Beijing Yike Chuangxiang Network Technology Cooperation Limited in Beijing, the international metropolitan. Yike Chuangxiang is a high-tech enterprise engaged in the development and operation of foreign B2B e-commerce platform and online marketing service. It also successfully operated OneQuan.net, the globally leading transnational B2B e-commerce platform of industry and mining machinery industry, aiming at the future development trend of the international market and by using of the internet and information technology. Yike Chuangxiang provides one-stop service integration over supply, acquisition, integration, share, payment, logistics, information inquiry, and marketing of resources of manufacturers of mine mechanical equipments in the world. The establishment of OneQuan.net has filled up the blank of e-commerce platform of domestic and international industry and mining industry and set solid basis for the innovation and conversion of the market molds of industry and mining sector. It has also facilitated the e-commerce development of industry and mining sector of the whole China and the world. At present, OneQuan owns more than 200,000 members around the world and daily page views over 1 million. China Crow Group has carried out in-depth cooperation with giant research engines including Baidu, Google, Alibaba, as well as other 50 famous B2B websites of China so that to speed up the development of OneQuan. Looking back into the development of history of China Crow Group, we can find that each achievement, each takeoff, and each progress of China Crow Group is closely associated with the support of national policies, the care and active support from party committees, leaders and experts at all levels. Professor Li Guojie from China Academy of Engineering has arrived at China Crow Group in person and greatly praised the information construction, e-commerce operation, and the software development of Yike Chuangxiang of the group, and raised rare suggestions on the development of the group. Leaders of the Internet Research Center, Chinese Internet, China Electronic Commerce Association, China Machinery Industry Federation, China Association of Plant Engineering, the Economic and Information Commission of Shandong Province, the Electronic Commerce Association of Shandong Province, Shandong Association of Enterprises, Jining City Government, and the Economic and Information Commission of Jining City have for many times arrived at the group for inspection and instructions, which has greatly helped and supported development of the group. China Crow Group has successfully passed the ISO 9001-2008 Quality Management System certification, SGS certification for China manufacturing industry, and GIS field investigation by Alibaba, and obtained more than 70 safety certificates for mining products, coal products, and product inspection certificates by Shandong Provincial Bureau of Quality Supervision. Honors and awards granted to China Crow Group in succession include the National Supplier with Guaranteed Quality and Reputation, the Model of China Creditable Enterprise Certification System, the National Conformity Assessed Quality Trustworthy Products, the National Consumer Satisfaction Enterprise in Service, China AAA Trustworthy Enterprise in Quality, the Group Member of China Electronic Commerce Association, the Collective Member of China Association of Enterprises, and China Entrepreneur Association, the AAA Creditable Enterprise of China Electronic Commerce Association, China Internet AAA Creditable Enterprise, the Certified Trustable Body of China Electronic Commerce, one of the producer service enterprises enjoying key scheduling of Shandong Province, one of the first members of the Three Network Integration Industrial Alliance of Shandong Provincial Economic and Information Commission, a model of advanced corporate culture of Shandong Province, the standing sector of 5 meetings of Shandong Province, the best employer of Shandong, and civilized and legal operators of Shandong, a model of advanced information work in economic and information system of Jining City, the internship base of Jining High School graduates, and a city-level trustworthy enterprise. The group has been awarded by Shandong provincial government as an excellent enterprise of Shandong province and the group president as the excellent entrepreneur of Shandong province. Facing the new opportunities and challenges, China Crow Group people, advancing bravely and passionately, are greatly confident and they're liable and capable to create better products and better service to our new and old customers at home and abroad. In the development journey in the future, China Crow Group will compete with Alibaba, Google, Baidu, and other Class A internet enterprises on the same stage to make due contribution to facilitate electronic commerce development of China. China Co Group dare to make innovation and always forging ahead with determination. We hand in a better perfect paper to the world. Our China, the society, and our customers with best performance.